Welcome to Flick Tactics Week 17 updates. 3 more weeks to go, that's right. So here are the additions and changes for this week. Justin Chin added win, lose, and power dialects for all the characters, and Alan Zaring added the power up music, which is work in progress, and you can listen to it right now. Ryan Young added another awesome map 7, and I did a little bit code refactoring and integrated the dialogues that Justin Chin made. So it's playtime and let's check out the game. Here are the power dialogues. Unfortunately, they're not implementing the game right now, so I just have to show you the rough text. They're not something awesome, but these are the texts that will be shown before the power is activated by that particular character. Here are the win dialogues. The good thing about these dialogues that Justin Chin made is that they really clearly distinguish which character is actually saying those words, which is really good, and it really feels like these lines belongs to the particular characters those lines written for, right? And that's the good thing. And of course, there are the lose dialogues as well. When the player loses, these dialogues will play. Here's the map that Ryan Young made, and it is really cool. Blue one will be Taja, and the green one will be Guru. And Taja and Guru are gonna fight in this map, and there is a lot of forest in the middle, which is a great point to turn on the fire, just bring fire here and damage the enemies. There are actually 3 city buildings at strategic spots behind the mountains. He actually thought about these things. There's also another change that I have done is that when you select AI, it also says work in progress here, just so it is clear that AI is not really done. And why I'm thinking that is simply because now 3 weeks are left, so I'm just thinking to at least complete gameplay elements, all the gameplay elements, rather than focusing on enemy AI, because enemy AI might take more time. So I'm just thinking of at least doing all the 3 command, all the max 3 command actions, so that they can do pretty much most of the things, and player to player it is playable, and 2 players can play this game with each other, and that's the basic idea. For the next week, we are going for pretty much the same thing, except that I have removed enemy AI, and player power turn music is being developed by Alan. So yeah, really cool. Alan is doing a great job. Thank you for the contributions and for watching the updates.